Okay, I'm super excited. I just got my EVERGOODS backpack. It came in this great box. It looks well packaged. I'm gonna unbox it for the purpose of our video. Maybe I'll post it, maybe I won't. It's a 20 by about 12 by 5-inch box. And it feels like it weighed about 4 pounds. That's what the box says. It came a day early, according to the tracking. But nonetheless, I waited about 2 weeks from when I ordered it, because I ordered it pre-order. So here we go, opening up the box. This is exciting. Okay, the first thing we get is a package slip and the price, the items in there. Civic panel loader, 16 liter, solution dyed black. And I also ordered a glow patch. That's what this is. Glow patch fully charges in 5 minutes of direct sunlight with any initial glow intensity of 100 lumens. Requires increased charging time in artificial light with a lower initial glow intensity. And on their website, they said just blast it in front of car headlights. Okay, there's the Civic panel loader. Nice plastic bag. Box is empty. Open it up. Pull it out of the bag. It's got a little anti-mold chip. Nice solid plastic bag. Wow, it is small. Here's some silica. Look at this strap. Looks like it's good quality. It's got the movable, can go up or down. I can see here where the channels are for the water. Nice cushiony back here. I like how you can tell it tapers down. It's got that extra material here, and I can't really tell if it's cut on the bias, like they say. Okay, flip it over. I'm so excited. I want to open it, but I want to put on my glow patch also. There's the space for the logo. Just goes right on there, I guess. There we are. I'm really surprised. I'm surprised that this is the glow patch is very flexible. I thought it would be kind of like a stiffer material. Okay, put that there. Okay, so we got the small front pocket here. And yes, it's got a zippered pocket. And it's got a card-sized pocket, maybe a passport. And one more loop over here. Probably fit a pen. And I want to test my Civic 1 liter Civic pack in Coyote Brown Echo pack. So, fits perfectly in there. Wow, that's beautiful. And this material is nice. I have a Civic travel bag that's made from different material. Okay, so that's that pocket. Now we got this side pocket back here. Open that up. And this is where it's got a tag that says it's the Civic panel loader, 16 liter. It's got this back zipper back here for the harness, which I guess you're able to take out if you want to. I can feel the hook with the water bladder. And got the red strap, traditional red strap for the laptop. So we're gonna grab my laptop. I have a MacBook Air small one, the M1 chip. And I slide that in. Perfect. Plenty of room. I can see how a 16-inch MacBook could fit. I don't have one, but here we got the top. Very nice material. And the yoke, place for the keys. Nice. And then go into the main compartment. Zipper's a little stiffer than what I'm used to on EVERGOODS. But maybe I'm just not used to it yet. It's new, right? Opens beautifully. Wow, this is not deep at all. But that's what we expected, right? It's the 16 liter. Let's see if I take a tape measure to this. They said 3 inches, and sure enough, it's 3 inches, just like they said. There's that pocket. Let's see. iPad Pro. Not the big iPad Pro, the regular iPad Pro. Fits right in there. So I have an Air, what is this called? Day pouch. No, Day Sling 3 Max in gray. And one of the things I wanted to see is if it fit in there. And sure enough, feels like it'll squeeze right in. What else do I want to put in here? It fits in that way. You grab a water bottle. This is the kind of water bottle I use. It's a clean canteen. Clean canteen, so I guess it could fit in that way. It's kind of precarious. If I wanted to, I could put it this way. That would work. Of course, I wanted access to this, but it still fits in there. I could, oh, I noticed here something different. There's no loops. So I don't know if they're Civic travel bags, CPL, Civic. I know the Civic travel bag does, but the Civic panel loaders, I don't know if they normally have those or not. So that's something to keep in mind that I don't remember them talking about during the interviews. I also like to put my iPad. The reason I have this Air travel sling is because it fits an iPad. So if I put that iPad in there, zip this up. That's kind of what I was thinking. So for now, let's just put that in there. Zip this up. Got the pull, the tags that you can hold on to zip it shut. Right there, zips right up. It's nice. I don't know what else to say. This is great. There it is, the Civic. What's bulging there at the sides because of the. Need something. Okay, so what do we call this again? Civic panel loader. 16 liter. Very small, compact. This is exactly what I wanted. Just to carry my laptop and my iPad around, and my sling, and my water bottle, and my Civic access pouch. CAP. Cap 1. My keys in here. Nice.